Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. And welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something exciting to unbox and review. A remote control car that allows you to open and close its doors with just a click. This remote control car also features a 1/18 scale radio control. This remote control car also has working headlights. This RC car uses a rechargeable battery, while the remote control uses standard AA batteries. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
This remote control car comes with a short 0.1 meter USB charging cable. The optimum charging time of this RC car is about 3 to 4 hours. This remote control car also comes with a 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. This rechargeable battery saves you money because it is reusable. And here it is, the sleek and compact remote control. As you can see, it's ergonomically designed and fits comfortably in your hand. This remote control has a button to open and close the car doors. This remote control uses two 1.5 volts and of size AA batteries. And here it is, the remote control car that has openable doors. Wow, look at this sleek design. As I told you earlier in this video, this remote control car has working headlights. And you can open and close some of the car doors using the remote control. However, this RC car does not have working taillights. At the bottom of this RC car, you can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch. Let's now test this remote control car. Are you ready, guys? This RC car shines on flat surfaces with its impressive speed and maneuverability. By the way, if this video has been helpful to you thus far, I would love if you would boost the like button on this video, so it can spread to more people.